Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, I miss you so much. I believe you're all doing great by the grace of God. Thank you so much for returning. And if you are new, you are warmly welcome. Ooh, this weather is so hot and it calls for this. As I was about to make it, I thought of you guys. So let's get into the kitchen and let me show you how I make my real strawberry milk. It's that simple. So let's get started. All you need is your fresh and juicy strawberries. And as you can see, I have that here. I'm just going to wash them nicely and come back, guys. So keep watching and go nowhere. Okay, it's so simple and it's so refreshing. I really enjoy this strawberry milk. So I want you to also enjoy yourself this summer with this amazing strawberry milk recipe. So we are back. It's nicely washed. I'm going to cut some of them into pieces and I'm going to use my hand blender to blend some of the strawberries and we make a syrup with that. So guys, keep watching. This is so interesting and I hope you like it. Now let me clear the working surface, put the strawberry on the side and bring the rest of the strawberries and cut them as well into pieces. Wow, this looks so beautiful and so juicy. I like that. So family, I'm going to put this on the side and then I'll work on this one here in the bowl. I'll use my hand blender to blend it and then I'll transfer it in a saucepan. I'll add sugar to it and I'll make a syrup, a delicious syrup. I'm transferring the blended strawberries into the saucepan and then I'll add 2 tablespoonfuls of sugar. You can use brown sugar or honey, okay? It works perfectly. Stir till the sugar dissolves and combine beautifully. In about 2 minutes, turn off the heat and let it cool down. And I'm doing just that. So family, very soon, I'm going to transfer the strawberry syrup into the bottle that I'm using for my strawberry milk. And that's it. It's a very big and giant bottle because I really need much of this strawberry milk for this hot weather. So the strawberry syrup becomes the base, and then you add your chilled milk. And in this video, I'm using oat milk. So right now, I'm going to shake my oat milk, pour a good amount of the oat milk into the bottle, and add it to the strawberry syrup, of course. And guys, this was so amazing. I really did enjoy myself. It's so delicious. I have never enjoyed strawberries like this before. It was everything to me, guys. So try this out, and I'm sure you will love it even more than me. So now let me add good amounts of the smaller pieces of the strawberries to the top of the milk. And guys, we'll continue from there. So keep watching and go nowhere. So family, I'm not the type who go to the market or the shop and buy strawberries and then wash them and eat them raw like that. I'm not that type. I buy them for the kids though, but I don't always eat with them. Like that's not me. But guys, enjoying strawberry this way has changed my whole mood for strawberries. I really love it like this. So family, we are all done. But before we serve ourselves, let's check the bottle out. This bottle is so big and so giant. But I was able to consume this strawberry milk in less than 10 minutes. I drank it as if I was drinking water. Guys, I really loved it. So it's time to serve it. And before that, you have to shake the bottle up. Just shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, before you just pour out the strawberry milk. Guys, this is it. We are done making our delicious strawberry milk. And this is the real one, okay? Family, if you enjoyed this video and it's helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and recommend this channel to friends and families who may also like my amazing recipes. And if you are new, you are warmly welcome. Please click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to join this amazing family, and you will never ever regret it. Family, it's time to serve. And where are your cups? Oh, where are your bottles? No worries. I'll do all the tasting for you, okay? So all you need to do is to get yourself strawberries and make some for yourself this summer and bring me the feedback if you can, which I will really appreciate it. I just love this strawberry milk and it's my new way of enjoying my strawberries. And I hope you like it too. Thank you all for watching and I believe you've been inspired. Please don't forget to comment and like, share this video for others to see, and I'll really appreciate it. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good. Bye, y'all. Kiss. Mwah. Enjoy.